guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. Today what we have is a juicy hen or slash chicken recipe. Now this was highly requested. So what you're gonna need is your chicken or your hen. You're gonna need your veggies, which I'm going with potatoes and carrots, and I also have some onions over here. You guys, I need a lemon because I want to put me a little lemon on it, okay? And of course your seasonings. Now you could use melted butter, but I'm using olive oil. So, and don't forget your salt and pepper. So come on in the kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys, how's everybody doing? Good, because we're back and we're finna get into this video, you guys. So what we have here is some delicious hens, chicken, you know, baby chickens, I don't know. But anywho, we're gonna start this video off, you guys. Now, if you're not used to people cooking with the nails, then I suggest you click off, because I'm out of gloves. But anywho, I always make sure my nails and stuff is clean. And we're going to start this video off by putting a little extra olive oil on our chicken. Just a little. And we're going to put us some Cajun seasoning. We're going to put us some Cajun seasoning on here. We're going to put us a little meat tenderizer. We're going to use a little paprika. You guys. How is everybody doing today? And what is you cooking for dinner today? And we got us a little garlic powder. Now I started to use the minced garlic, but I said no, I'm just going to go with the garlic powder because of the kid, right? We're going to put up some black pepper on here. Now, instead of using olive oil, you can use melted butter. Because, you know, I know a lot of people grew up on melted butter, okay? And we just going to go here and add us some no salt. Well, you know, salt substitute. Okay, and we got a little saffron. Right. And I'm just going to go on here and I'm just going to get this seasoning all over this chicken. Just like that. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is a quick video. And we're going to fold these wings back here. Just like that. Let's get the other season into it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Who like baby hens? Now this video was highly requested by my niece Tiffany, which I will leave their link in the description. If you love animals and you want to, let me wash my hands. You want to get more into animal life, that's what they do on their channel. I'm just going to cut this lemon just like so. As soon as I get it in there. And I'm just going to go on here and I'm put me a little lemon. Pop them seeds out. Put me a little lemon juice. And I'm just going to insert this lemon right up in there. Guys. To give it a different little flavor. Just give it a different little flavor. No worries. The juice we'll get into the lemon. Well, you know, into the chicken, you guys. So I'm going to set this aside. And we're going to go ahead and season up our potatoes and onions and our carrots. Going to do the same thing here. Yes, I use a little meat tenderizer. It's not going to hurt anything. Same seasoning for my potatoes. I'm going to use a little salt. Well, you know, salt substitute. Now, that's your choice. And we're just going to go ahead and season this up. Now, I have potato wedges, basically, because I didn't want the little bitty potatoes. But anywho, we're going to move this out the way. Let me rinse my hands. Because this makes a great home-cooked comfort meal. It makes a great home-cooked comfort meal. And it's a one-pot or one-pan dish, right? That's what it is. So we're going to put our chickens, or you could say hens. You know what? Let me put a bed down. Let's put a bed down. Okay? Let's put a bed down. Oh, you can get in here. I want to cut this one up a little more. Okay, so we're going to put us one or two like that. And we're going to put it just like that. And we're going to take the rest of it and just put it around it. Just like that, you guys. Make this quick and simple. And we're going to put this in the oven for approximately an hour and a half, right? We're going to put our little juices over in here because it's not going to hurt anything, right? Just a little of this water because it's not going to hurt anything. And that's how quick this meal is going to get. We're going to cook it on 350. You guys take a look at that. We're going to cook it on 350. And we're going to check on it halfway through the cooking process. And we're going to have us a one delicious comfort food meal. Cooked simple and easy and delicious. So, yeah, you guys, we're going into the comfort weather, the fall weather, okay? And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to let this bake and get us a crispiness going on that breast part. And ain't nothing like home-cooked food, you guys. Southern comfort food in the fall weather. You guys, and there you have it. Within an hour and 15 to 20 minutes on 350 in your oven, you got a delicious home-cooked fall comfort meal recipe. And it's also a one-pan dish. You can also do this in your crock pot. Yes, make it a dump and go meal. But anywho, thank you all for joining me, enjoying this recipe. As far as sharing it, you guys, what's better than some comfort food in our fall weather? Home cooked meal, you know? It's simple and easy and delicious. And very quick recipe, you guys. So thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not already part of the fam, what are you waiting on? You guys can get easy, delicious food. Simple recipes made easy. You guys, made easy right in your kitchen. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, leave a comment below so I'll know who's checking me out. But anyway, you guys, I have fun sharing this video with you. Now you can take it up a notch. You can add you some gravy. Of course, I will do mushroom gravy, but I'm not going to do that on this. And add you some biscuits to slop the juices up. Let's go in here and let's check out these tender potatoes, you guys. So I'm just going to go in there, you see, 4 tender potatoes. You guys, and the crispiness on this breast, you guys, oh my goodness, you guys. Let me go in here and see if I can grab a quick piece of breast for you guys. It's not dried out. Now this is the one I squeezed the lemon in. But we just gonna go in here and get see what it looking like, right? Nothing fancy. I just want to get a little piece, just so that I can show you guys what it's looking like, right? This is a meal for 3, but of course, like I say, you guys can go and check out that. Let's see. Just sends that tingle right through there. We got carrots. Got that bite. But anywho, you guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Enjoy your rest of your week. And don't forget, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And I'm sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.